Hey everybody, how you doing today? I got a video here on how to change your fuel filter on your weed eaters. They're pretty much all the same when it comes to changing these. I already dumped the gas out of this, so the first thing you would do is you'd want to dump your fuel out of it. And on the fuel cap, they usually pull out. You can just grab them by your finger. There's usually a little tab like that or something in this area that's holding it in there, but they just pull out of there. You'll need either a piece of wire or some kind of hook, or you can take some of these, or even a long pair of needle nose pliers. But this here little piece of wire works really good. Just reach in there, grab your hose that you're trying to get, and pull it out. And you have your fuel filter there. I'm just going to put the same one back on because there's nothing wrong with this. I'm just doing it to make the video. And you want to pull it off there. And usually when I go to put a new one in, I'll take and cut the line off because it's usually stretched out a little. So just take a pair of cutters or a knife, cut it off, slide your new filter on it, make sure it's in there tight. Feed it back into your tank, push it in there, make sure it's down on the bottom and it's not sticking up or it's away from the fuel. Bend this here part over, slide it back in your tank. And fill it up with gas and put your cap on and you're all ready to go. That's all there is to changing a fuel filter on your weed eater. So don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and have a great day everybody. Bye.